Ever felt bogged down by website issues that drain your time and energy? Discover a new era of website management where simplicity reigns and efficiency is everything. Quickly capture website issues or updates with just a few clicks. It's easy to document changes without a fuss. Effortlessly report bugs or suggest updates. Type, draw, or record your thoughts directly on the screen. It's fast, intuitive, and ensures your feedback is clear and actionable. Just tell us what you need, and we'll handle the rest. We analyze, craft, and implement solutions to optimize your operations, covering all the bases to keep your site running smoothly. Partner with us and focus on what you do best, growing your business. We ensure everything runs smoothly, transparently, and efficiently. Stay informed with regular weekly reports detailing time spent, project status, and next steps. We guarantee you have full insight into every aspect of your project. Let's enhance your website management today. Contact us to start our partnership